How to fix Truth Social app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Truth Social app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to fix the Truth Social app not working, first simply open up the app and check what the problem is. If you're just getting a network issue, just swipe down from the top right, check for the Wi-Fi connection, make sure you're connected to the, your strong Wi-Fi. If not Wi-Fi, you can always turn on your mobile data, turn off your Wi-Fi and use the data, and check if the problem is fixed after that. If it's not fixed, you might have to clear out the cache of the app itself. To do that, you'll need to head over to Settings, go to General, go to iPhone Storage, then simply find the app that you're looking for, that is Truth Social. It should be right here. Then offload the app. After you tap on offload, confirm the offloading, and that will remove out the data but will still keep the app. So let's just do that, and you can then reinstall the app from right here. Doing that, your cache from the app will get deleted, and that's how easy it is, and that should fix your problem. If not, just go to your app store, search for Truth Social. After you search for Truth Social, let me just do that again. There we go. So after doing that, check if there is an update available. If it is, tap on update and update to the latest version, which might be the fix for the issue. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.